To log into your bus Wi-Fi, first go to the Wi-Fi tab on your device and find the correct bus SSID, which is often your bus transporter's name. Click Connect and insert the password given to you by your driver or displayed on a sticker on the bus. Once the password is correctly inserted, follow your device instructions to be connected to the bus Wi-Fi. And once you're connected, you'll be able to enjoy your music, video, and internet content as shown in step 2. Now you're connected to your bus's Wi-Fi, go to your browser on your device and type in the URL given to you by your driver or prominently advertised on the bus. This will open up a main menu screen where at the top you'll have a logo from your transport company and below that a message from your transport company and your various entertainment options. To use the internet, we click Use Internet and are taken to the Terms and Conditions page. Click the Accept button and your internet pages will be enabled and WhatsApp will work in the background on your mobile devices. You can now overtype your desired URL here in the address bar. In this case, we're going to google.com and you can open up a new web page. Or you can open up a new tab and insert an alternative URL. In this case, we are going to facebook.com. To watch videos or listen to music, at the main menu, select your option. In this case, we will choose a video. And at the channel screen that opens, select the type of video you would like to watch. In this case, let's say we'd like to watch a comedy. So we click on comedy, and when the comedy breakdown of videos appears, let's choose this one. The video will then open and you'll be able to watch the video on your browser. Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoy your in-bus entertainment and wish you safe journeys.